going to do relay programming. It's all about programming under pressure and debugging the mistakes that sometimes happen when you work really quickly or in teams. We'll use graph paper programming to simulate coding and use relay races to simulate having a deadline.
Set, go!
In relay programming, teams will be racing to finish a graph paper program. You have to check your teammates' work or debug it. Fix it if there's a mistake, add your arrow, and then run back and tag your teammate. Programmers use debugging a lot to find and fix problems in their algorithms or code.
It has to be this one.
There are lots of ways to debug problems. One of the easiest is to move step by step until you find where something goes wrong. Then fix it. Here I'm trying to do a back handspring, but I keep falling off. I walked through each part step by step and realized where my mistake was. My coach showed me I wasn't putting my hands on the beam correctly. So I tried another back handspring on the beam with my new hand position and I stuck it. I was really glad I debugged my back handspring.
Figured it out.
Yeah. Debugging is finding and fixing problems.